wonder who that could be. Oh my gosh!
Not going anywhere! Why?
Wow. Oh, she's gone. Bye.
Hi. This is not a Batman movie. Okay, well listen. Listen to me. Listen. Yes, I would love to play a game, but listen first. You talk so much when I was ranting about the Twilight novel. You were talking so much. You're like, I was like, ah, they need to play badminton. You're like, I thought they played volleyball. Go exactly. Every time I talk, you talk. Why? 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 Of course not. No.
That hurt.
Thank you for hurting my feelings. Goodbye.
Wow.
That bitch. Speak of the devil, and the devil shall appear.